Hi, and welcome to another First Taste with Hope video. Glad that you're joining us again for the All-American Food of the Month in honor of the 4th of July, of course. So what we're doing today is we're making cheeseburger wraps. It's a little bit different, but I thought it'd be a little bit better than just making the traditional standard cheeseburger. But cheeseburgers are fun, and Americans eat lots of hamburger meat on 4th of July, and beef in general, maybe steaks, I don't know. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, is we're making these cheeseburger wraps, a little bit healthier version of that. And with that being said, let's get started. You will also be making a couple different meats if Brooks gets that on camera, but that is because I'm trying to make some options for everyone. Here we go. Toss some butter on there, get it all greased up. We've got our beef here. We're gonna need to cook that first, and then we're gonna be adding some grated Parmesan, black pepper, salt. Remember, I always go for the iodized. You want that iron, it's good for your body. Onion powder, garlic powder, and ketchup even is gonna be added to the beef to give it that zhuzh. And then once we do that, it does have specific measurements. I'm gonna be using a teaspoon for the spices, but other than that, I'm just gonna kind of toss some stuff in there. So I'll put the link below for the recipe in case you want precise measurements, but that's what we're doing today. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Ooh!
I smell it.
Pepper.
Pepper powder.
Pepper powder, exactly. Salt.
Powder.
Salt powder.
Yeah.
Parmesan cheese.
Not powdered. Oh! I wasn't expecting that.
And some ketchup.
Powder.
Okay, friends, once we got the wrap all good to go, you can start putting on the things. I'm putting on some mayo for sure first. You want to add on your condiments first. The reason is because you'll get to lather it on to the wrap itself. So we'll get that going. Of course, you can toast it if you'd like. I did not choose to toast mine this time. And yeah, so we'll get the mayo lathered on there. And then once we got the mayo, maybe want to do some ketchup a little bit. So we'll go like beep, 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 beep. All right, got some ketchup. Then we're gonna lay on the cheese. Got some aged white cheddar. It smells like cheddar. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm a dumb American. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. All right, got some cheese on there. I'm gonna just do one slice, and then got a tomato. I think I'm gonna try to use it. All right, got some tomatoes. We'll put that on. All right, we got the lettuce. We got it from Kroger. Kroger. And shredded lettuce because I'm lazy. I'm American and I'm lazy. Picture that.
We're running with the stereotypes here, Pete.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because again, I'm American, so I like adding salt to everything I eat. And then I'm gonna add another slice of cheese.
You'll see.
I said just one slice of cheese, but then I changed my mind.
That's
I'm gonna add a piece of bacon,
Nice.
and then we're gonna add the beef.
Beef.
The beef.
Beef.
And it's still all greasy and juicy, but you know, that's what we Americans like, right? We like greasiness.
Right.
Yeah, SpongeBob, we like the grease on the Krabby Patties. Boom. 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 Oh, it's breaking a little bit. But we're gonna go for it anyway.
All right.
Yep. And then. Boom.
Okay.
Boom.
All right.
We're gonna toast it. No, we're not gonna toast it. We're gonna.
Okay.
I'm gonna microwave it for a second.
Now that's American.
Exactly. I went for the American way. I need the cheese to melt a little bit because that's the American way. And here we have the wrap. And it's time for the taste test. Is delicious. Tastes like it tastes like Kansas.
Okay.
It's good.
It's good. Mission accomplished.
In every way fattening. Alright, give this a 2 thumbs up. I'm greasy now. That's how you know the job is right. And that brings us to the end of another First Taste with Hope. Thank you so much for coming to our All-American Cooking Fest as we are eating like Americans do, lazy and greasy. Sorry, that's a stereotype, but throw that out there. But these were delicious, fun to make. Definitely try it out. It's good and yummy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone.